Welcome traders to the Prop Show Trading Channel. So we're doing a little recap on the week. So this is my Lucid account. It's my fifth eval. This one has the most equity. This is the one that we're doing one full mini contract. So for this week in June, so the trade on the 9th, Tuesday, this is where there was a user error in my favor. So it ended up, uh, you know, taking that loss in missing that trend trailer trade. I'll let you to mark a replay to see if that was a viable trade. I'm pretty sure it was. Um, so we'll see if it actually takes it. But this week ended up being profitable for me on this account. But my other evals, it was not. And those ones I've scaled way down in those anyway, and stuff. So the 9th was not profitable for those ones. And then another user error for yesterday, the 11th was a big loss day. So we would have been down, it would have hit the $1,000 daily loss limit on that one. Each chart took the same trade. Each one was over $800 loss, so $1,600 doing the full if you didn't have that daily loss limit set. And nothing today. So this is how the week was for that. So I still have, the full $2,000 drawdown. Got $1,300 more to go. I have plenty of trading days in this. This is how May looked out. So this I was trading a lot smaller, only 4 micros was a profitable month. This is one that I don't think I took any trend trailer trades. There was an issue with me starting another workspace, and not having the indicators set up correctly. It wasn't producing any signals on there. So it was profitable. It would have been more profitable if I would have had that. And then April, so this was the first month of the account. There was a trade earlier in the month that my other accounts had taken. Those were profitable, but I got this account after that. So this was a losing month for it. So before this, um, before these 3 trading days in the month of actually taking these trades, it was up almost $900 and stuff in there. So I had the full $2,000 drawdown on it. And so this one has jumped up pretty big on it. So there is where the current status of the account. So the game plan on this one is to lean heavy, one mini contract, try to pass within the next 6 weeks and either pass or fail, blow it. And then if I pass, then after that, then reduce the contract size to 5 micros at the most. And still, I'll probably end up reducing the daily loss limit too. I'll have to figure that out and stuff. Shouldn't be having a full $1,000 if you're trading that size. So we'll be back at it next week. So what I'm going to be doing over the weekend, just do a market replay for the week and see if the trades lined up as they should. And that way I can keep my written record of all the trades, not the ones I just take, but replay, see how things match up, and build the data set, build the 1 year data set on this, on both opening drive and trend trailer to see if the objective trading is viable long term, to see if they're profitable every quarter. That's what I'm hoping for. Without too large of drawdowns, but let's just say, this is just throwing a number out there just to throw something for math's sake. Let's just say each one makes $1,000 a month, so $12,000 a year each. Well, the drawdown for that full mini contract could potentially be a few $1,000s and still be okay as far as it fits the strategy. If you can potentially make for the current size of what NQ is trading at $12,000 a year per contract, and the drawdown is $3,000-$4,000 on it for that trade size, that's still, you know, good enough for me for an objective trading system where you don't have to make the decisions. The algorithm, the script makes the decisions. When the trade setups are there, the score filter engine reduces the signals, the weak signals. The adaptive stop and target also rejects trades that it deemed too much risk. And the adaptive stop and target is not just, that it's not just adapted to the current price, but the price that will be in next year, 5 years, 10 years from now. So we'll see if it pans out. Thanks for watching, and I'll continue next week.